Hello dear students, if you want to learn Arabic language and you want to use in daily use of all these words, then you can say it and you can memorize all of these words. First, if you want to say someone hello, then in Arabic you will say marhaba. Marhaba. Marhaba means hi and hello. And first of all, if you meet someone, then you will say assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. And in the response, we will say wa alaikumus salam. Wa alaikumus salam. First, you will say assalamu alaikum, and in the response, we will say wa alaikumus salam. Okay, and next what? If you want to say someone good morning, then in Arabic you will say sabah al khair. Sabah al khair. Sabah al khair means good morning. And if you want to say someone good evening, then in the Arabic we will say masa al khair. Masa al khair. Masa al khair means hota hai good evening. And if you want to say someone shukran. Shukran. Shukran means thank you. If you want to say thank you, then in the Arabic we will say shukran. Shukran means thank you. And if you want to say someone please, in the Arabic we will say min fadlik. Min fadlik. Min fadlik means thank you, please. Min fadlik means please. And if you want to say someone sorry, sorry, or if you want to say I'm sorry, in the Arabic you will say ana asif. Ana asif. Ana asif means I'm sorry. Ana asif means I'm sorry. And same way, if you want to say someone in the Arabic, I don't know. I don't know. In the Arabic you will say la a'rif. In the Arabic you will say la a'rif. La a'rif means I don't know. And if you want to say someone yes, if you want to say someone yes, in the Arabic we will say na'am. In the Arabic we will say na'am. Na'am means yes. Na'am means yes. And if you want to say someone no, if you want to say someone no, in the Arabic you will say la. In the Arabic you will say la. And if you want to say someone bye, goodbye, then in the Arabic you will say ma'as salama. Ma'as salama means goodbye. Ma'as salama means goodbye. And at the end you will say again assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And in the response we will say wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All of you students, you have to write and all you have to memorize all of these basic words. Thank you.